Blozo gets questioned. Recently, Blozo was asked, "Hey Blozo, when will 10 meters start opening up? When will cycle 25 really start working for us?" Blozo says, "Well, until this happens, you'll never know. Look." See, I just got done listening to QSO on 10 meters between an LZ1 and a guy in Texas who was 10 dB over 9. The LZ1, well, he was about S5 to S7, depending on QSB. What? Hear that boop, 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 boop? That's my power meter.
Your programs, software you were using for the radios, the forward there was with a filter type as default in the other one, so I mean the linear phase. And when we were studying with FETIS, they just put the low latency filter as a default. So I want to give you this advice because it's not good there for me. When you put as a low latency, it sounds like an IC7000. You know probably what I mean about the IC7000. It's a really easy radio to guess. I mean, there's something special in the audio. I find that again with the low latency filter type in the setup of FETIS. So I wanted just to let you know that before you go. Okay, so yeah, we talked about a lot of things. Of course, a lot of interest.
Please ID.
Yes, because we've been using Alan Radio.
Oh boy.
We slide too with FETIS. So just keeping in touch, not with the new radios, but staying in touch with the FETIS and the slide too, like you know. Okay. So what was a long
sign, please.
Chat today.
I'm coming unglued.
I think 45 minutes or so. So not really usual, but I like to practice a bit my English. That's the way we do it.
Oh boy.
When you roll like that, and rather than just playing 5-9 and 10-3, you won't be able to
Old man can talk.
English if you don't go QSOs like this one. So I both like having pilot and also.
Come on, give it a break, man. It's okay, Blitzen. I'm making a movie.
W1PN at 5
Yeah. A W1, really? You know what I say, don't you? Close the lid. Spin the knob. I hope you're well. I'll catch you soon. Bye, guys.
14, basically a 3-element tri-band Yagi, which is up at 13 meters, up at 100 feet, and should be pretty much looking short path towards Brazil right now. Papa Yankee 1 Tango Tango November from British Yankee.
Every single time I set up the camera on a QSB takes it away. A Papa Yankee 1 PY1 working as ZS? Really? Hey, Bozo. When will 10 meters really open? I hope you're well. I hope you work some CW at the 100 milliwatt level. I dare you. I challenge you. Hey, man, you a CW op? Crank down the power, man. On 10 meters. I dare you. Can't turn your power below 5 watts? Well, A great opportunity to get your hands wet homebrewing a little simple project. All it is resistors that you put in a box with a couple jacks. It's called an attenuator pad. Oh, Blitzen. Oh my God. Poor baby. Oh, you poor baby. It's called an attenuator pad, right? I hope you're well. I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.